This is newly built roof. The inhabitants of this home are happy on this construction. Along this wall, there is one more room that has been constructed by this NGO. This one, its roof has also been built. The walls have also been constructed by the society. It's a nature of beautiful nature to glimpse even from the door of poverty. You can see it from here with us. Hello, do you live here?
Yes, I live here.
What happened to your house?
My house collapsed. That is my house. Some big holes appeared in its roof and floor. These holes traveled upward and they collapsed the whole house due to turmoil.
Okay, then who constructed your home?
They constructed my house.
How do you earn for your living?
I look after a buffalo.
Don't you have any son?
Yes, I have a son but he lives in Karachi. He left me alone. He is married. He never came to me, but he rings me. He had not been visited for 7 years. He never sent me 10 rupees even.
It's quite strange that your son didn't make any contact to you. How is it possible?
These are not my words. You can ask it from whole the village.
In this village, I came to know that the walls of poverty built over the ground of bad luck, and the door of happiness never opens for the poor. This is another corpse of a destroyed house. Its walls are open like a person after his death. You may see the holes in this muddy wall which are trying to pull the walls down. We visited one more home along with Mr. Nazir.
Okay, we did all this. We constructed the cemented wall. Good. May we come in? How are you, mother? This room was like that.
Here we saw a typical kitchen of a village which is disappearing from the traditional homes in a village. Here they mostly boil the milk. Often they cook meal here in rainy seasons. On seeing us, the old woman started praying us. She felt pleasure and we saw a ray of hope in her eyes and on her smiling face. The old woman told that they have constructed my home. It had collapsed and we used to feel that one day it will fall on us when we will be sleeping. This old man was also grateful to us on constructing his home. He was very happy. He told that he and his family hardly saved from the falling roof during a heavy rain. Our eyes again were watching a wall of a house which was crying with the pain of its decline. The door was locked from inside, but the residents have not been there. Disaster was sleeping inside the broken wall, and they might have been waking under the open dark sky of their poor fate.
Babaji, is there any dog? Please look. It may not harm us. How can we go in that room? That one which we want to see. Look it here. How the condition of it? All were collapsed. Look them. We have constructed it to
We were not only riding over the rubble of the broken house, but here were buried the happiness of the family, the good time, smile of children, hopes of parents for good time, and future of the brother, as well the sense of protection of the family.
that is the material for construction, the same. Look how bad condition it is. Are there bamboos or sugar canes? Okay, Babaji wants to have his photo with us. Here we will fill concrete and steel rods.
I have listened that man proposes and God disposes, but I have seen it with my naked eyes on standing the reality grow. These bricks were also very brittle and easily breakable, like the longings, hopes, and dreams of a poor heart. The old man told that they have made these bricks themselves. First, they make a wooden rectangular frame and then they spread a thin layer of sand in it. Then they fill it with mud and after giving it a shape, they turn the frame downward on the ground and bricks lay over the ground to dry.
Do you go to school? Where is your school? How old are you? Look up, son. Don't be shy. Let me help you. I'm careful. This is a great idea to help them. I'm very happy. I'm happy that you are also with us.
I'm grateful to you, brother, that you gave me a chance to visit this site of disaster. And I feel that there are a lot of things I have felt and learned. Thanks. Do you construct this toilet and bathroom?
This one, we also constructed it. Let me have a look inside it.
We were moving back to some other home. The old man requested us to have a cup of tea with him, but I told him that we had already made a promise with the other old man, and next time we will surely have it with him. We may understand sometime what we see, what we feel, but often we could not elaborate what we see and what we feel. What do you feel?